Hello everyone and welcome to the Holistic Orthodontics channel. Holistic Orthodontist is an orthodontist office. We believe in a holistic and orthotropic approach. We're located in Los Angeles, California. I'll leave our social media and all of our contact information listed in the description bar down below. My name is Brandy Isadora, and in this video I'm going to try and get you guys better acquainted with the way that your teeth move when you're wearing aligners or braces, and I'm also going to fill you in on the dangers of ordering aligners online. So in order for you to understand the science of how your teeth move, I'm going to try and get you a little better acquainted with the parts of your mouth. Now this pink bar that's on the screen is going to represent your gums, which are also called your gingiva. Now this white part is your jawbone, also known as the mandible. And these cute little guys are going to be your teeth. The bottom parts of your teeth are called roots because they're rooted deep into your jawbone. So if you look into the mirror and look at your teeth, you won't be able to see this part, obviously, because it's inside of your jawbone. Now, if there's not enough bone for the roots of your teeth to hold onto, your tooth will become loose and eventually fall out. One of the most common reasons for bone loss starts with poor oral hygiene, which turns to periodontitis, which means that your gums become swollen and infected, and then the bacteria will start to eat away at the bone. So you want to make sure, especially when you have braces, that you clean your teeth and keep them healthy. Now the MVP when it comes to the movement of your teeth is called the periodontal ligament. The periodontal ligament is the pink and yellow striped part on the screen, which is surrounding the roots of your teeth. This area is a fibrous tissue. It has blood vessels, which it uses to keep the tooth healthy, and it has nerve endings, which it uses to sense pressure and pull that are applied to the tooth. When constant pressure is applied to the tooth, your periodontal ligament will sense this as pressure or pinching on one side of the root, where it will tell your body to dissolve the bone so that it can make more space for the tooth on that side. And it will sense the pulling or stretching on the other side of the root, where it will tell your body to build bone, filling in the area where the tooth used to sit so that your teeth continue to fit snugly inside of your jawbone. Only your orthodontist knows what a healthy amount of pressure is. If too much pressure is applied to the tooth, it can damage the nerve endings, and in a worst case scenario, your teeth can actually fall out. This obviously can happen with DIY braces, but it can also happen with aligners that you order online. Online discount aligners are also super dangerous because they omit or they don't include the x-ray process. And x-rays are super important because they show your orthodontist exactly where teeth can and can't be moved to. If an aligner tries to move your tooth into an area where it won't be supported by enough bone, that tooth will ultimately fall out. It's impossible to know if you've had any bone loss during your lifetime without looking at an x-ray. And any damage that is caused because of these mail order aligners will just cost you much more in repairs later on down the line. Mail order aligners will only be able to focus on straightening your teeth, and even then, most of them can only focus on the first 6 teeth. That means like the first front center 6 teeth in your mouth. If there's gaps between your molars, they won't be able to address that. If you have an overbite or an underbite or would need a palatal expander because there's crowding in your mouth and your palate didn't develop properly, they won't be able to address those issues. At Holistic Orthodontics, we try to address complete facial development, not just the alignment of your teeth. We will use orthodontic and orthotropic techniques to achieve complete, beautiful, symmetrical, and healthy facial development. We know that the development of the face not only affects the self-esteem and your smile, but it also has impacts on your health. It can affect your breathing, among other things. I hope you guys learned something and enjoyed the video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. And if you know someone who's thinking of getting mail order aligners, share this video with them. I will see you guys in the next Holistic Orthodontics video.